Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect components to Webflow CMS. First, let's go to Flowbase to find the perfect component. I want to add a blog section to my website, so I'll copy this one over in my Webflow, paste your component into the designer. Let's create a new collection and start adding some fields. Looking at my component, I can see that each blog post has a name slug, short description, thumbnail, author, avatar, author name, and average read name. Depending on the component you have selected, the fields you add will be different. Once we have finished creating our blog collection, let's add some blog posts. With everything set up, we can now start connecting our component to our collection. First, I'll add a section in a container. I'm using the same classes used in the component. Next, we'll add a new collection list to your Webflow project and connect that to our blogs collection. Since we're displaying 3 cards in a row, I'll set the collection list display to grid. Now copy a single item from our flow-based component and paste it into the grid. Now it's as simple as connecting the fields to the relevant CMS field. For example, the image should be connected to thumbnail. Click publish and view your live site. Just like that, you have connected a flow-based component to Webflow CMS. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.